The living room is a gathering place for friends and family to come together and bond. There are many design ideas for such an important room. An elegant living room shows class and style. Elegant decor will transform a living room into a regal oasis that will be hard to leave. These elegant living room ideas are sophisticated, graceful and chic, perfect for anyone looking to bring these elements into the very important living room space. Elegant decorating is an art form, for it requires restraint. Some styles, such as country or farmhouse chic, are enhanced by a bit of clutter. Elegant decorating, however, requires a certain level of respectful taste, a sense of refinement and knowing when enough is enough. Elegant should not be confused with stuffy or pompous. These living rooms show that your home can be elegant as well as comfortable.